Hey guys, this is Vivek Sharma. I'm a trainee at AttainU, and in this video I'll be talking about the Python project that I have created. It is a Bitcoin alert project which sends you alerts whenever the price of Bitcoin goes below the user provided limit. In this project I have used Python, CoinMarket Cap API, IFTTT webhooks. Here is the related information of that project in my GitHub repo. You can read about this in this README. So now I'll be taking you through my running of my project. So we need to type python main.py, and to get the help we need to type -h. So after typing -h, you'll get this help from the app where it is mentioned that you have to provide 4 optional arguments. These are currency, limit, interval, and platform. So what currency is that you need to provide a currency code in order to receive alerts, and the currency you will provide, you will get notification, price notification in that currency only. The second is the limit, like the price limit below which you want to receive alerts. Uh, Third one is the interval, that after how much time you want the alert to be repeated. And the fourth argument is the destination or the platform, like Telegram, Twitter, mobile phone, SMS, or email. So I have provided 4 destinations. So we'll move ahead and try to run our program. I'll be running it on default values for the first time. The default values are USD as currency, and price limit is 10,000. Time interval would be around 1 to 2 seconds. For testing purpose, I have kept the time limit a bit low, and the default destination would be Telegram. So I'll press enter. The This is the result that we have got from the API, and as you can see that I've receiving these notifications on my Telegram channel. Till now I have received 4 notifications. So you will receive according to your time limit. So now I'll be running this app via user provided arguments. So we'll write we'll provide -c, which is currency, as INR, hyphen L, which is limit. So limit we'll be keeping it around 8 lakhs, because Bitcoin price is below 8 lakhs these days. And next argument that we need to provide is the time interval. For that we need to press -I, and we'll provide 0.2. We'll keep the time limit low so that we can test it quickly. And next is the platform. So platform I'll be choosing is email for this time. And now you can see that it has started running. It has sent a notification on my email. So Here you can see that I have received the message about that. Here we can see that this is the price. Okay, so I'll go back and yeah, so it has till now has sent 3 notifications. So I'll stop this for now, and now I'll show you the other arguments or other platform it sends alerts on. So for this I'll edit, I'll keep the currency as euro, and I'll edit the limit to around 10,000 for euro. Limit will keeping same, and here I'll be typing message because we need to receive a message on our phone. So I'll be pressing enter and this will start running. So I'll be going to my phone companion app and I'll see that if I have received a message. I guess it's not synced with my phone right now. I haven't received a notification yet. I'm sorry, it's taking a little bit longer, but I am receiving it on my phone, but not able to see it here. Anyways, this is how you receive the notifications on your mobile phone. Yeah, so you can see it has now synced, and this is the message that I have received. It took a little bit time. So here you can see this message that I have received. Here are those all the messages till now I have received. So I'll go back now. Here, so it has sent me these much amount of messages. So the last thing I'll be doing here is using it for the Twitter notification. So I'll write my Python main.py and then I'll provide the currency. Currency I'll keep euro, and the next one is limit. Limit, or let's just limit be the default value. So I'll set the next parameter, which is interval. Interval would be around 0.2 again. I need to provide a space. And then I'll provide the platform. Platform would be Twitter. So I'll run this program now, and it has started. So now I'll go to my Twitter account and I'll have to refresh. So you can see that I have received this Bitcoin price in euro around 16 seconds ago. So this is it. This is how my project works. So it is a nice platform to receive the Bitcoin price alerts according to your needs. All those needs would be provided in the command line, and I'm planning to in future, you know, get the notification for two price limits where you can get the option to buy and sell at uh, at your specified amount whenever it goes below the amount, you can uh, buy the Bitcoin, and if it goes above your limit, then you can also sell all it. So thank you. That's it for the project.